Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So we are learning about the Quartz Scheduler in this playlist. We have learned different concepts like how we can build the job details, how we can build the trigger object, and how to schedule a job, how to schedule with the help of a cron expression. All those different features we have learned. There's a one more feature I would like to explain today is how we can delete the job which is running. Okay, so let's say like there is some job which is running. Okay, let's say this job is running for 200 times. Okay, so when and when it is running, you have observed some logs and it is misleading. I mean, it is doing something that you don't want, and it is just second run only, and it is going to run this 198 more times, which you don't want it to run. So immediately you can stop the job with the help of this feature. Okay, so how we can implement is, let's go to the main scheduler. You have this scheduler interface, right? Go there and open all the methods. I'm doing with control F12. Okay, then if you type something called delete, where you have two important methods here: delete job, that is a single job, and delete multiple jobs. Multiple jobs we'll see later on. You have a option to delete a single job. Delete job you have, right? Cool, this we can use. But how can I build this object called job key? Okay, so because I know from this what is a job name is, and what is a job group also I know from my job details. Okay, so with the help of these two, I can simply build the job key object, and I can I can pass the job key to the delete method, right? So that we will see here. So I'm at the main scheduler here. Go to the bottom and let's build a reusable function so that I can call this from the controller. So for that, let's keep as of now as a void delete 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 job. Let's not take any parameters as of now. We'll build slowly. Okay, so here I have scheduler dot delete, and I have the job key, right? So okay, I have this, and I need to build my job key. Job key is equal to job key. Okay, let's keep as of now like this, and let's pass this guy here, job key. Okay, now here initialize, it is saying. Okay, now let's build the job key object. How we can build new job key? Okay, with the help of the job name and the group name. So for that, let me take two variables called, one is a job name, another one is a group name. Okay, now let's pass those to the job key. So job name and group name. Okay, so I have my job key should be ready. Job key, yes. Yeah, now this I have passed. Now you have to put this in try catch or throw that exception. Cool. Now this job key is returning me boolean true or false. So I'll keep this as a boolean, and I'll simply return the response of scheduler delete job. Okay, now I have the delete method where I am passing the job name and the group name. Okay, now these items I can get it from input as a path variable, right? So let me create a endpoint here called get mapping, not get mapping. Let me keep post mapping, because we are doing something on the server instead of instead of getting something, right? So let me keep as a post mapping here delete job, and let's give it two path variables. First one is the group name, second one is job name. Okay, then let's keep as of now public void method. Okay, void delete job. Here you have one path variable, right? Path variable as group name. Let me take that as a string group name. Then another path variable you'll take as the job name and the string job name. Okay, I have these two set. Now I simply need to call my main scheduler. My main scheduler is already been used here, so I can use the same reference and call delete job with job name as the first parameter and the group name as second parameter, and it is going to return me boolean, right? So let me keep the return type as boolean and keep return here. Return, right? Cool. Yeah, I think we are good to go. Let me run this application. So when I start this application, there is a one scheduler which will run for 200 times. Okay, once it is picked up only 2-3 times, I will delete the job and I'll show you the results accordingly. Okay, so in the meantime, let's prepare our endpoint. It is nothing but delete delete job endpoint. Okay, so delete job. I have the path variable as a group one, group name, and the job name as job one. Okay, now you could see this job is started running. What is a job? First job, right? This is a job, and this one is getting executed. Okay, now what I will do is I'll simply hit this guy. Now you could see method not allowed. Yes, okay, this should be a post method. That's fine. Now you could see true returned. That means it stopped its execution. Okay, you could see nothing is being executed afterwards because we have stopped the job to run. Okay, so this is a very useful and very important feature, I must say. With the help of simple scheduler method called delete method, you can delete job method, you can delete any job which is running. All you need to do is a group job key here, and this job key build from job name and group name. If you are not using any group name, you can simply remove this and will take only single parameter constructor here. Since I'm using multiple, I'm using the group name as well, so I have taken the group name constructor as well. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. It's me, Karthik, signing.